Hello everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We're going to take a look at the dollar, guys. The dollar index is moving higher, right? So we'll take a look at the dollar. We've been talking about the dollar index, all right? So let's go right into it, all right? So you guys should see here, this is the dollar index, guys. You guys remember, right? We talked about this. We had a white candle for the month for the dollar index. You guys can see here, all right here, dollar index monthly time frame, and here we are, current month, and we finally turned green. All right, so we turned green for the month. That's a big deal. All right, on the dollar index, and we will look at the daily time frame. All right, so dollar index, big candle here, green candle. We're looking to break through that downward trend line. So we'll see if it happens this month, but it might happen next month for us. But big candle coming in. And let's do this. Let's remove this downward trend line here and bring in a resistance line here. All right, so resistance line here, right about here. We're breaking that resistance right here. And let's see if we can move higher. And we'll still bring in that downward trend line right here. All right, so this is the area right here, guys. We need to break resistance here, here, and here. Here we are breaking through. All right, all right. All right, very good, very good. All right, big picture, guys. Dow, a little bit of selling today, not a lot, right? The Dow was down, only 6 points down for the day. All right, NASDAQ was up, S&P was down, and Russell was down, not by much. Okay. As far as the VIX, we're keeping an eye on the VIX. Okay, the VIX, guys, is right at 18. All right, right at 18. Okay, we'll take a look at gold. All right, gold. All right, right at 18, guys. Move down a bit from 22. All right, but still holding high at 18. We need the VIX to come on down, come a bit lower. Okay, Bitcoin right at 67, right at resistance there, 67,000 on Bitcoin right there. Pound yen, right, breaking out a little bit. We saw a little move in the yen pairs, green candle here. All right, and on the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, you guys can see that pound yen is breaking out. We send out a lot of alerts with the yen pair, so you guys make sure you keep an eye on those alerts with the yen pair. All right, with the pound yen and the other yen pairs. The yen itself in the futures market keeps moving lower. That will help the yen. Bonds broke through that. Look at that. Broke through that trend line right here, trading below that trend line. So bonds keeps moving lower. Gold, all right. Gold, guys, is holding at 2,700. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Excuse me. Daily time frame on gold. Look at that. All right, still holding on the daily time frame. Hey T, welcome. Hey Mohammed, welcome. All right, on the 60-minute time frame, all right, new buy signal. So those of you looking for a buy signal on the gold, 60-minute looks good. That buy signal came in at 27.55, trading at 27.61, and the previous trades did really well. All right, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. We do have a purple support and resistance, so keep an eye on that. Okay, guys, but good move in gold. Let's go back to the weekly time frame here on gold. Okay, silver, big breakout on silver, guys. Look at this. All right, silver usually will lead, gold will lag. This time gold is leading and silver is lagging, but look here. All right, it's breaking out and it could catch up with gold. Okay, so buy signal here on silver. All right, and silver will usually produce a better price for you, $23 rather than $27, $2,500, right? So silver $23 and close today at $31. I believe this is all-time highs. Let's take a look at the monthly here. Oh no, long way from all-time highs. All-time highs on silver is at 47, guys. We might leave it here on the monthly time frame. All right, so 47. This is the all-time high. This is where it closed. So let's keep it right here, right at 47.16. Buy signal here, breaking through that resistance. Okay, at 27, trading at 31. All right, the last time silver made this high was 2011. All right, 2011. All right, let's take a quick look at same thing, monthly time frame on gold. So gold, this is all-time highs for gold, guys. All right, gold has never been here before. Okay, so buy signal here, moving up big time. Okay, gold. All right. All right, Forex. Right, so we talked about this. The yen pairs are definitely moving again. All right, so we are loaded up with the yen pairs. I think we missed a couple, not many though. All right, so yen pairs, we have buyers. All right, on the 60-minute time frame, you guys see that here, all blue, we up. All right, and on the 240, so 60, 240, and daily, this is all blue. All right, we would like to see buyers come in on the Aussie pairs. All right, we have buyers coming in on the 60-minute. We need this to carry on over to the 240 and then eventually to the daily. So with the Kiwi pairs. So we don't have any trades in these, but the yen pairs we do. And we have some dollar pairs also. We like to see buyers come back in on the 60-minute time frame. They're holding on the 240, holding on the daily. And we finally have, all right, for Forex dominator moving again. Okay, so that's good. On the 240, we have reduced volatility, guys. If you look here on the 240, so our traders trading on the 240, you know, yen pairs are holding fine, but you'll notice that a lot of, even with some of the yen pairs, all right, they're just kind of holding still. And that's because of the volatility here. All right, so we have reduced volatility. We have about, I would say, 50-50, all right? Yeah, about 50% volatility. Here, all right, we have a little bit more volatility on the daily time frame. You guys can see that here, all right? And then more volatility on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so 60-minute looks fine, but 240, right, slowing down a bit. Okay, but no major, it's not a major concern, but it is slowing here on the 240. All right. All right, the futures market, big thing here on the dollar, guys. The dollar index, all right, is slowly moving towards that 105 mark, which is right here. Currently, the dollar is up. E-minis are down, but we're watching that dollar, and hopefully these dollar pairs will really push higher. The dollar index has resistance right here, all right? So if we get to that area, break through that resistance, hopefully we get a nice pop through that resistance and see the dollar pairs move higher, all right? But good markdown phase, buy signal, all green candles. We're moving up nicely with the dollar index, okay? Equity markets, the S&P, held today. All right, so the S&P is holding firm so far. Like I said, VIX is at 18. We would like to see that VIX come down to about 13, 12, 11. All right, so we're still at risk with equities. Okay. On the NASDAQ, we have a buy signal here. We're having some resistance formed right here, guys. All right, that doesn't mean we can't break out. Okay, but we do have resistance right here on the NASDAQ. On the Dow, all right, buy signal here, trading up nicely, just a little pullback here. All green candles, no concern there. However, the IWM, the Russell, and we'll take a look at stock bars this evening, okay? It's pullback, guys. So this is a concern. So your mid-cap, small-cap stocks, now we ran heat seeker. We've got about almost 80 stocks coming through, but this is a concern for the Russell. All right, buy signal here, pullback. The good news, it held its trend line, so hopefully tomorrow we can get a bounce, okay? A bounce right off that trend line here. All right, so, but that is a concern. It's no longer trading above resistance here. So small caps, mid caps, we really need the Russell to break out, okay? Try to break out, but it's back now below resistance, okay? All right, current positions. So let's go through these. We'll go through these quickly. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. All right, dollar CAD, guys, dollar CAD, buy signal. So this one closed. All right, so buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Red candle, broke support, white arrow here. So close the trade, please. So bought here, sold here, dollar CAD, close the trade, please. USD MXN, that's your Mexican peso, buy signal here, sell signal, buy signal on a break of resistance on the 60-minute time frame, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. USD HUF, buy signal here, sell signal. So you guys see what the dollar pairs are doing. All right, these should be moving up with the dollar index. Okay, so keep an eye. If you're in these trades, keep an eye on them. They should be moving higher. TRY, JPY, the yen pairs. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, we have a nice, well, a decent markdown phase right here, markup phase. We have a purple support and resistance. So keep an eye on it, please. All right, buy signal here, holding. NZD, JPY, buy signal here, holding. All right, very choppy trading here. All right, so we have support here and resistance here, and we're looking to break out. All right, very choppy trading though with New Zealand yen. Swiss yen. All right, good trade going here with Swiss yen. All right, there's your markdown. All right. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. There's Swiss yen, dollar yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal here, moving up. Hold on, dollar yen right here. Dollar yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. Might be getting overbought, but follow your candles. It's got all green candles, okay? All green candles, so nothing to do. All right, buy signal right here, moving up nicely there. All right, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen, same thing here. All right, buy signal right at resistance, we're moving up here. Yellow support and resistance, that's good. So let's bring in our resistance right here, right? Looking to break out Aussie, Aussie yen. SGD, Singapore yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. So again, purple support and resistance. HKD, JPY, good break of resistance, guys. All right. All right. A lot of consolidation. Finally broke out. Buy signal here, moving up. These are under 60 minutes. So not, these aren't bad trades. All right. Hey, Taj. Welcome, Taj. Welcome, Taj. I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome, buddy. Euro, yen. All right. Buy signal here, sell signal here, guys. Close the trade. Okay. Buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. Euro, yen. All right. CAD yen. Right, we looked at CAD yen. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. With CAD yen, guys, let's say you guys bought here on the 60-minute time frame. This would be an area to perhaps add to your trade. Okay, so you can move that resistance line right here. If it breaks and close above, right, your resistance line right here by your system, right, that's an area to add to your trade. Okay. All right. Pound yen, so you could scale up. Buy signal here, sell signal. Very choppy, guys, with pound yen. All right, look at that. Very, very, very choppy. So we might wait on pound yen, guys, to break through. Now, big picture, it's definitely trading much better. But let's do this here. Look at it. A lot of consolidation here. All right, so very, very choppy. Very, very choppy. So pound yen, close the trade, please. Okay, so let's just go through these, make sure. All right. All right, so clean things up. All right. On the 240, so the 240-minute time frame, let's go through those. And you guys should notice we're basically long, no shorts, okay? So no shorts, all right? Long dollar, long the yen pairs. And in both Monster Scalper and also Forex Dominator, which is good to see. All right, so USD DKK. All right, great trade going here, guys. All right, hopefully some of you guys got a piece of this trade here. USD DKK on the 240. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Where our sellers are sitting right here. It's a good chance, guys, we could break through this resistance here. Okay, this is a trade where you could have added, scaled up to in your position on the 240, especially on the 240, right? If we catch a run on the 240, you guys know they'll last about 30 days. 30 days is when they run. We catch a trend on the 240. 30 days is what we normally get. So that gives you a lot of opportunity to scale up and add, okay? USD DKK. It doesn't happen a lot, but it happens enough. Here's another one here. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Buy signal here and a break up this resistance, and it's trading nicely so far, okay? USD SEK, all right? Buy signal here. These are two trades coming out of the markdown phase. Buy signal here, sell signal here, current buy signal here. And again, this is another trade here, right? We could, if we break through that resistance, all right, we could see buyers come in, okay? USD SEK, all right? USD MXN, buy signal here, trading up nicely here. We have resistance here. All right, so we have decent resistance here. But look here. We have an upward trend line right here. All right, so the momentum is up, trend is up, buyers are in control, right? Retraced a bit. And if we do this, you guys can see here. Yeah, it's hard to see, but look here. All right, so we're moving up, middle low, bounce, middle low, bounce. So looking to test that resistance. All right, okay. A lot of choppiness, but clear resistance here. Right, hopefully the goal is to break through that resistance there. Okay, all right, the yen pairs. All right, perhaps your best trade right now. Hopefully the dollar pairs will follow. Okay, all right, more aggressively. Dollar yen buy signal here. Good price action, keeps moving higher. Resistance is right here, so we have a ways to go. Good trade going here, especially on the 240. If you guys missed any of those trades, that's it. You can't get on. It's too late. New Zealand yen. All right, this is a fairly difficult trade, but it's a straight breakout. Okay, so we're breaking out of resistance. And we have support right about here. Okay, so we're looking to break out. Right, it's just holding right here, guys, right here. Looking for it to break out. So New Zealand yen, SGD, JPY. All right, we got out on the red candle, got back in on that break of resistance, buy signal all the way here. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on it, okay? Swiss yen, all right, buy signal here, moving higher, fairly new trade there. Do we call euro yen? Euro yen, buy signal here. Now we need to get past resistance right here. These trades can be challenging when they pull back, right? They don't break out and they pull back here, right? This is what will get us out. But we've got all green candles right here holding. We need buyers to come on in, get past sellers right here. ZAR yen, all right, buy signal here. We are breaking out. All right, bring in, use your horizontal lines, guys, and bring in, right, bring in those lines so that you can see the price action much better. Hold on. All right, here we are breaking out to the upside. Nice breakout there. CAD yen. Some of these charts are horrible. All right, but we do have good resistance that they're breaking out of, but horrible trading. Look at that. Okay, but we are breaking out. All right, buy signal here. We are breaking out. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. We are breaking out also on pound yen. But guys, it hasn't been easy with these pairs. Okay, and we are breaking out here. All right, surprisingly, right, the best setups on the daily time frame right now. But you know, that will change. Last month, actually earlier this month, we had nothing in Forex Dominator. So we've got a lot now. Let's take a look. I remember no shorts. So in Forex Dominator daily time frame, these are big trades setting up. And these trades are good even if we don't trade on the daily time frame. All right, they will help the move in the smaller time frames. Okay, so dollar pair, see, we are loaded up, guys, loaded up. Okay, so USD CZK buy signal here, moving up nicely. Need to break through that resistance right here. Dollar CAD buy signal here, we're breaking through resistance. USD DKK, really good setup here, guys. good markdown phase. Buy signal, look at that here. All right, good trade going. And these trades can set up for big pips, lots of pips. When they work out, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, buy signal here. Look at that. All right, good markdown phase, good resistance up here. Look at that resistance. Okay, so if we move that support, let's say we move that support right here, we can see very defined resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support. The goal is to hopefully get it all the way back up. Here we have buy signal here, near-term resistance right here, and that would be nice if we can get it back all the way up here for lots of pips. So dollar Swiss, and again, the dollar index is moving higher. These pairs are really moving here. All right, dollar SGD, let's draw it out. Good markdown phase. Our new traders, make sure you guys bring in your trend lines. All right, so resistance all the way up here. All right, let's bring it right. Let's call that right about here. All right, buy signal here. All green candles. We are moving higher. All right, coming out of the markdown phase. Resistance here. Good setup here. Really good setup. Really good. And the goal is, see how this goes? It's going down in the markdown phase. All purpose support and resistance line. Right, continuing to break support redistribution. All right, no guarantee. It doesn't happen all the time. But when it comes down like this in the markdown phase, smooth like this, sometimes we'll get a smooth transition all the way back up. All right, that's what we want. USD, SGD, USD, SEK. All right, so buy signal here. And right here. All right, buy signal here. We are moving higher. So dollar pairs, guys, watch these dollar pairs. These are big moves, okay? USD, SGD, and it doesn't, it doesn't hurt to just park some capital. All right, I think T, we talked about this, right? She has an idea of trading some of these on the larger time frame, just having a separate account, putting, small amount to work and just let it run. Not a bad idea, all right? Not a bad idea. So you could have some longer term trades, all right? And you also scalping or doing some swing trading with the other pairs in a different account. Not a bad idea, all right? Because these big moves can happen. I mean, let's say, for instance, this trade here goes all the way up here, all right? That's 700-800 pips. Let's say it breaks up, keeps going. Those trades, we've seen them. They don't happen all the time. All right, could have shorted this all the way down here. All right, on the short side, then now go up. Okay. All right, USD PLN, same thing here. So you guys see what's happening here. Now USD PLN is coming out of a very low range, but it is breaking out. All right, so very defined support and resistance. Look at that long consolidation, almost a year. And here we are breaking out now, and you can bring in all right, these lines will help you guys frame your trades. Buy signal here, heading up to resistance here. Boy, if it breaks out, right, we don't have any resistance until here, right here. Let's bring that in as a target. And then perhaps all the way up here. Okay? All right. USD PLN, USD HUF. Look at USD HUF. All right. Something is going on with the dollar, guys. Something is definitely going on with the dollar. All right. So dollar index right here. Something is going on with that dollar. And if we look at the dollar, where is it? right here. All right, look at that monthly time frame. Look at that big green candle this month. All right, that's a big move to the upside. So something is definitely going on, right? Dollar index is moving, and we can see that with the dollar pairs here. Buy signal here, sellers are here, right? And we're approaching resistance. Hopefully we break through that resistance, okay? We've done our job, right? We've gotten it to resistance here. That's our job. It's all green candles. We wait and see. If it fails, get out. TRY, JPY, so the yen pairs. All right, good markdown phase. Again, these are in Forex dominator, guys. Daily time frame, okay? All right, TRY, JPY, buy signal here. Moving up slowly. Dollar yen, good markdown phase. Buy signal. Look at that. All green candles, guys. Every day keeps moving a little higher. NZD, JPY, buy signal here, holding. Dollar yen, did we say dollar yen? Okay. SGD, Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here, moving. These pairs are moving back and forth. A lot of activity, all right, right now. ZAR yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, right? Approaching resistance, look at that, right here. All right, so first time in a while, Forex dominator is moving. All right, Swiss yen, buy signal here, moving. Aussie yen, buy signal, moving. Euro yen, all right, same thing here, guys. Mark down, mark up. All right, buy signal right here. Okay, that buy signal came in yesterday. First target is all the way up here. Okay, CAD yen. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this. Buy signal here. We're moving up. And pound yen, buy signal here. Breaking through near-term resistance. You guys can see that here. All right. So especially with these trades, you got to let them, you just have to let them run. Okay. Can't interfere with the trade. Let them run. It takes a while to develop. These will take months to develop. Okay. But so just as long as they're holding, let them run. Okay. All right, I want to take a quick look at Stock Boss. I just want to run it, Stock Boss and Bullmaster, and then we'll come back to current trades. Okay, guys? So we're going to take a look at Stock Boss, Bullmaster, okay? And then we'll come back, we'll take a look at the current trades. All right, so Stock Boss here, let's run Heat Seeker. All right, so we've got 80 in Heat Seeker for Stock Boss, so that's small cap, mid cap stocks, okay? And Bullmaster, let's see how many. These are large cap stocks, 67. All right, so that's a little different. Usually Bullmaster will have more stocks than Stock Boss. And Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals, we've got some selling coming in. All right, so things are a little mixed. But we have more stocks here in Stock Boss. All right, that's interesting. Okay, so let's go back here. All right, so let's take a look at current positions, stock positions in Stock Boss. We trade these on the daily time frame. All right, LAAC. Here's your markdown phase. Buy signal came in at 310, guys, trading at 366. Good trade here. All right, remember, buyers are still in control. Buy signals on the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell, but the Russell is trading below resistance now. That's a concern, especially with these small caps, okay? All right, so good trade going here. Next one. All right. Buy signal here, just holding. Definitely keep an eye on this one here. AMLX, buy signal here. Good trade going here at 249. All right, we forgot about this one here. 249 trading at 453. Good trade going there. AQST, buy signal came in at good trade going here. These small caps are moving. We haven't looked at these in a while. Huh? They're moving though. 326 trading at 510. Good trade going here. Another good trade, AUPH. All right, buy signal here, holding. BHC, bring in your lines. Buy signal here, holding. We need to break through near-term resistance there. All right, EYPT, holding. MGNX, guys, keep an eye on this one. Buy signal here. We need buyers to come on in, come back in, right? Recapture support, move higher. Keep an eye on it. All right, good reaccumulation phase trade not going there. Good, holding. PACB. All right, definitely keep an eye on this one, guys. It's trading below resistance, struggling to hold. All right, now the market is strong, so hopefully we get buyers to come back in. If the market was weak, we would close this on this white candle here. All right, so buy signal here, pull back. Notice here, right, it's trading below resistance. So buyers are having a difficult time staying above resistance. White candles here, we need buyers to come on back in, start testing that resistance again here, okay? Definitely keep an eye on it there, okay? SLRN, we're looking for a break through this resistance here. Decent markdown phase, okay? But we're looking for right here. Previous support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. So here we are. We need to break through. But we have a lot of, so upside potential. Stock fell from 29 to all the way down here, 394. Our buy signal came in at 545. All green candles need to break through here. And not a lot of resistance after here. It did gap down. All right. So a lot of times, guys, going on the way up, it will fill in that gap. Okay. So we'll see how it does. Talk TALK moving down up nicely. Good, solid setup. Now with small caps and mid caps, right, you will not get a lot of reaccumulation trades. All right. We talked about this before. A lot of these will come out of the markdown phase, like this here, which is not bad. Those are a little riskier, all right, because we don't have that trend, that established trend, right, where it's reaccumulation, right? We've had that breakout out of accumulation. It's in the markup phase, and we've got the first or second trade closed with profit, and now we're taking a third trade in that markup phase reaccumulation. All right, those you will find mainly with Bullmaster Pro, so your large caps, okay, mega cap stocks. With mid caps, small caps, right, they usually come in out of the markdown phase, so you'll get I don't want to say a cheaper price, all right, but a lower price. Let's put it that way. Okay, buy signal here moving higher. But these trades, they're a little riskier because, right, those buy signals could fail and you could see sellers come on back and keep pushing that price lower. Okay, so with those, we want to make sure, right, we come out of the markdown phase, accumulation, right? We want to see some yellow support and resistance come in like we did here. Buyers, buy signal, green candles, okay? And then move higher here. A little different type of trade, but they still work. All right, so TDOC, right? Really good markdown phase, but you guys see here, right? A lot of times, okay, if the market is weak, these here will fail and keep moving lower, okay? So very different trades. All right, that's holding. All right. All right, we'll close this. Let me show you guys why. So we have support here. Very choppy trading. Not a good trade here at all. So we'll close this. Sometimes when the market is bullish, things are really moving, all right? You can trade just about anything, but then once the market starts to slow down, you want to just really pay attention, get the best setups, okay? So this trade here, if you guys look here, we have very good support down here, and we have a downward trend line. And if you guys notice, every time traders brought that price up to that trend line, downward trend, they knocked it back down. Okay? So here, here, right? Here, 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 and then here we are here. All right? So there's a good chance, guys, this buy signal here will fail. Okay? A good chance we might not get that breakout, especially with white candles coming in. So we've had 3 days of white candles and a purple support and resistance here, which means we overbought right here. All right, buy signal is right here. Definitely want to close that trade, right? Becoming a bit risky there. Okay, so we'll close it. ATUS. And this is the way you want to look at your trades. This one here a little different, okay? So buy signal here, big candle. We know buyers definitely came in. We have previous resistance here. All right, buy signal here. And right now it's holding near-term support. So a little different trade, right? It's holding that support. We have now, you guys don't have to do all of this analysis, but it's good to do some of it. All right, so it's holding support. We have an upward trend line, not like the other one. We had a downward trend line. All right, so it's holding right here. We need buyers to come on back and keep moving the price higher. WOOF. All right, this one is holding. Definitely keep an eye on it there. All right, good price action. AMPX, all right, really good. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. Fell from $12. Don't you love these? Buy signal came in at $1.20. Good breakout. Trading at close at $1.60. All right, if that price gets to, let's say, right about here, that's 100% profit right there. Okay, just to this resistance here. All right, and next resistance right up here. All right, but good markdown phase. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. And it's made that turn moving up now. Okay, good trade going there. All right, next one, BW. All right, BW buy signal here. Resistance is all the way down here. So got past resistance here. Now remember, these stocks are part of the Russell. So if the Russell It's back below resistance. If it struggles, right, these small cap stocks will struggle too. Okay, so buy signal here failed. Buy signal here, a small profit here. Buy signal here this time, right, working out nicely. Next resistance all the way up here. All right, lots of consolidation in here, so it might struggle here. So if it gets up in that area, you start getting white candles. Right, you might want to take profits, close the trade, okay? All right, oh my goodness. All right, buy signal here, guys, very choppy trading. All right, resistance is right here. Let's see if it can break through, all right? Mark down, mark up. There are better setups than this. All right, here's a good setup. ULCC, good markdown phase. Look at that. All right, perfect example. You guys might want to take a picture of this, right? A screenshot. When you find really good setups, take a screenshot or a picture. All right, so you keep it right with you. Good markdown phase here. All right. Markup wasn't great here, but this markup phase looks good. Markdown phase, buy signal, right? Here's your turn, right? Green candles, buyers. Red candles, sellers, okay? Buy signal, moving up nicely here. And we're looking to break through resistance here. Next area of resistance is right up here, where buyers failed before. Okay, so keep an eye on that area. So first area of concern, right here. All right, so we're moving up. So we need to know, right, where these sellers are sitting above. Don't just take the trade. Kind of plan it out, okay? So buy signal here, and we are moving up nicely, right? We can add, right, all yellow support and resistance. That's very encouraging. All right, so here we need to break the resistance. Next target. So the buy signal came in at 4.38. Right? Right here, $8 if it gets there. All right. Then $10 here. If it breaks through that resistance, then $14 right here. Okay? So step by step. All right. NEXT, same thing here. All right. Look at that selling, guys. Came in a hurry. There. Okay. All right. Buy signal here. And our target is right here. Okay? All right. So I took some time going through these in Stock Boss. In Bullmaster, we'll go through a lot quicker. So with Bullmaster, guys, all we're looking for are red candles. If we've got most of these will be reaccumulation trades. So we're not coming out of the markdown phase. Okay, so these are reaccumulation trades. So what we're looking for, sell signals. All right, and the S&P and NASDAQ, right, they're very strong, not like the Russell. So we don't need to pay a lot of attention to these. Just want to make sure that we don't have any that has closed. Now, typically for our Stock Boss traders, Bullmaster traders, we would have a lot of trades in here. Okay, so I hope you guys are using your system. So just because they're not in here doesn't mean we don't have a lot of trades available. Okay, so we'll go through this quickly. Again, white candles, unless it's in real trouble, we'll stop. Otherwise, we're looking for sell signals, white arrow or red candles. Okay, we'll go through this quickly. Okay, holding. Most of these should hold. Holding. Good trade. That's here. Reaccumulation, guys. CORT, holding firm. CORZ, holding. Nice. Nice big candles. Look at this. EAT. Good trade going here. Good. 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 White candle here. Good. Good. See the difference, guys? Most of these are continuation, right? So reaccumulation phase trades, all right? You might have a few coming out of the markdown phase, like this one here. All right, keep an eye on that one. All right, PHM buy signal here was at 122. Closed today at 133. Close the trade, please. That's a big, that gap down too. Close the trade. Holding firm. Good. 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 Good trade going there. Good. That's a markdown. Good. 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 All right. WY, guys, buy signal came in on a break of resistance right here, 32. Broke support, red candle, gap down, closed the trade. So the buy was at 32.12. Sell close today, 31.65. Close the trade, please. WY. All right, holding and holding. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. Now, guys, as far as our Forex traders, our monster scalper traders, the yen pairs, yen and dollar pairs long. Okay, so that's the trade. So the trade right now, yen and dollar pairs. Okay, so yen pairs, yen long. Right here, you guys can see this. Yen long, dollar pairs long. That's the trade right now. Okay, and you can go either way, but I think most of the better setups are in the yen pairs. Okay, look for the dollar pairs. They've closed a lot of their buy signals on the 60-minute time frame, so that could be setting up. All right, for new trades on the 60-minute, you guys see the dollar index. All right, looks really, really good. So look for buy signals on the dollar pair. So the yen pairs are here. They've held. They're moving up now. Right on the 60, on the 240, we have some dollar pairs on the 240. Right on Forex Dominator, we have yen pairs, guys. Yen pairs here and dollar pairs. Okay, so we would like to see more dollar pairs come in here and even in here on the 240. So 60, 240. So keep an eye on those. The euro and pound pairs, still nothing on those. Aussie and Kiwi pairs, wait on those to develop. Okay. Our US 30 traders, and then I'll be done. Okay, so our US 30 traders, let's find where we are, right here. Okay, so US 30 traders, our last buy signal here, did we call this? I think we might have called this. This one failed. All right, we didn't call a short because if you guys look here, all right, the overall trend is up. All right, so we want to make sure we stay with, all right, the trend. We're definitely in the markup phase on the daily. So be careful doing counter trend trades You guys know the US 30 moves really, really fast. You know, if we get white candles in here, then we might switch to short. But for right now, we still have all green candles. The better trade would be to wait. Don't short this. We have support here. All right, we have support right here. And you guys know these will bounce back pretty quickly. Okay, so we have support there. And let's call resistance right here. Okay, so we could see where buyers come in. All right, because our overall trend is up here, we could see buyers come in a big way. All right, do we have news coming out? Tomorrow is what, Wednesday? So no data in the New York session until Thursday. Okay, so we could see buyers come in just like they did here, guys. See here? And took that price all the way back up. So here we are, found support. So we could see buyers. All right, so be careful shorting. The best trade would be to go long, follow the overall trend. That's on the US 30. Same thing on the NAS. Okay, on the NAS 100, same thing. All right, we do have a buy signal, but you would not stay in this. You have red candles here. So if it breaks through that resistance, we already have a buy signal in place. You could get in on a break here, but very choppy in here. It's going to clear this area. And on the daily, it looks good. On the SP 500, same thing. So you guys see, right? Same thing here. But this is where traders will really get squeezed because we short these, right? We short these areas here, even on a smaller time frame, and then buyers come in a hurry. All right, so be aware of that. Be careful of that, okay? All right. Things are a bit choppy, okay? Even with the yen pairs. So even with the yen pairs, guys, even with the dollar pairs, with the dollar index, okay, things are a bit choppy, not smooth. You know, we don't have smooth trading here, even with equities. So there's some uncertainty. The VIX is at 18. Okay, remember 20, that starts high volatility where we could see a correction in equities, especially if it gets above 20. So it's at 18. So that's high. That's risky. Okay, and with Forex, we see the 240, right? We have increased, we have low consolidation, low volatility consolidation on that 240-minute time frame. Okay, so things are a bit choppy, not smooth. So just be aware of that. Be careful. Okay, guys. So just remember, we'll have our next training on Thursday. Okay, make sure you guys get in the Discord. Okay, so make sure you guys get in the Discord and talk to our traders. If you guys need any help, they'll certainly help you guys. And if you're here for the first time, okay, I'm going to start doing this. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. So like the video and subscribe and share also. Okay, so we can have more traders getting this information. Okay, guys, thanks for coming. Taj, great to see you, Taj. T, thank you. And I'll see you guys. Mohammed, thanks for coming. And I'll see you guys next time.